kodwa mfowethu ngiyakululeka nje phuthuma eklinika eseduza kumzimba wakho loyanhlobo phuthuma nje ekliniki nje eseduze iSentin lapha ithiwa lapha hlala khona lapha uphila phana iUcastrile bani ini yavunde lapha iSentin phela awuseSentin ngathi hey wemalema phuthuma ekliniki nje noma eseduze noma kuthiwa kuphi la khona yabona sam wena bani nikhohleleka kuphakathi ngani ufana ushayi kodwa liqo ayi igoli lelo urongile udale ingane zakho.
Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to any video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining me. Ngakhohlwa ku subscribe, share, like video, ubuke nama ads for your sister ne. So yeah man, you guys, kule video sikhulumeni ngongizwe because kune video engiyibonile kaBhuti Ngizwe lana. Ngizoyifaka maybe in the beginning. Ekhuluma ngomalema nokwehla komzimba kamalema and all that. Sengibona abantu abaningi bephawula ngomzimba kamalema ukuthi manje sewehlile uluzi weight intontoni. Mina lami ngisaloko ngisho ngithi asazi ukuthi umalema ngabe uyagula noma mhlawumbe he decided to lose weight. Yase mhlawumbe iyaluzeka kakhulu nayo something like that. Angazi bafethu bakhona abantu angithi umalema uthe ngesikhathi enomzimba lapha bathi yabo malema banonne kuli chelete za politics what. They were saying a lot umalema ngesikhathi enomzimba ezimkile. Manje umalema seka lose weight. Abantu say yeah awondile impela nimzulu Ngizwe meda kaye clinic athi phuthume clinic. Awusheshise phuthuma yo guys uNgizwe akasabi lutho hayi ngeke bafethu hayi cha ngeke hayi phela Ngizwe uvela wathi phuthuma eclinic ngithi phuthuma lapha eSantini hayibo guys like really we never know mhlawumbe umuntu wenkosi nje udecide I'm gonna lose weight wanciphisa lo mzimba wanciphisa ngoba vele bese nimbody shame nangalesikhathi enomzimba bembiza ngokuthi unone kakhulu umalema. So manje umuntu mayesephinde waluzi weight niyakhala futhi bafethu hayi ngiba nathi yagula ngoba kumanje nje asazi thina uyagula umalema noma mhlambe is just trying to make sure ukuthi uluzi weight. You know what I mean? So angazi ngibona bebhale ngayo Ngizwe lapha nakazi moja bayithiyo nyabathi there is no slowing down for Ngizwe Mchunu. Ngizwe Mchunu okwambona slower down ekukhulumeni. Ngizwe slower down ekukhulumeni. There is no slowing down. Uzosho noma yini ayithandayo kuba ninjani uzoyisho nje ngendlela athanda ngayo uNgizwe leyo bafethu. Khumbula udaba lakhe nomalema lwa before ngesikhathi engeke azo campaign eKZN. Ntontona akaze namashangano wakhe what. Ngoba nenkinga wagcina selahlekelwa ilesa sponsorship saka JAC Motors kodwa siyambongela ngoba sibona nowadays engathi hayi sekulungile konke sekulungisiwe. Nangu phindela futhi kamalema. Athi ngithe clinic phuthuma hayi uNgizwe share. So but a controversial media personality uNgizwe Mchunu is accusing the newly elected economic freedom fighters Secretary General uMarshall Dlamini of being gay. Ngoba ukhulume ngoMarshall Dlamini laphana abuqala wathi umalema bazi electile, congratulations for ukuthi uzi elect. Wathi nale sister angizuqedelela bafethu because angifuni ku offend abanye abantu. La yazivula abantu mabe ngabe begay bababiza bethini right star ngizoma lapho misuzoqedelela wena. Wathi uMarshall Dlamini uyiso leso ke ngizofunda la kubhalwa ngesingisi bathe uNgizwe Mchunu accused the newly elected economic freedom fighters Secretary General uMarshall Dlamini of being gay. In the video posted on social media, Mchunu also took a jab at the EFF leader Julius Malema for being elected for the third term. So uthe yena Julius Malema, thank you very much Julius Silo Malema for appointing yourself to be a father of the house. And Lester esiuMarshall Dlamini othandana naso. Bayathandana Ngizwe hayi ngeke. Okay. Uthi na Lester esiuMarshall Dlamini othandana naso that you are romantically involved with. Bese ngazi ukuthi they are romantically involved. Ungizwa kasa. Yazi ungizwa ke sabi lutho bafethu ngiyamsalute. Uthe mase kuqede ngoMarshall Dlamini okumbiza ngene lesi stake wabuye wathi yena He then took a jab when it comes to the EFF leaders. This is wonderful that you have managed to re-elect yourself, Kwashungizo. The former Cause FM presenter then focused on his arch enemy, Julius Malema. I'm advising you, just rush to the nearest clinic because the body that you have isn't originally yours. Advise ukuthi phuthume clinic ngoba lo mzimba lo akuwona wakho. Athi rush to the nearest clinic lapho ngaseSandton. Ever since Malema lost weight a few years ago, he has been a subject of speculation where some people on social media have suggested that he is sick. Now, last year, before the national and provincial elections, Umchunu told Malema not to campaign KwaZulu-Natal, but a campaign eLimpopo. Umchunu even called him as Shangan, which saw the sponsors of his vehicle withdraw their sponsorship after the insults that he aimed at Malema. However, they have now given him his vehicle back, as we saw. Laphana Ungizo ethola imoto yakhe back bafowethu after so many years. Buza ukuthi after yonke lento ayishoyo futhi ayizukumfaka yini enkingeni Ungizo bafowethu. Ibiza abantu ngetabani ukuthi they are romantically involved. Really, are they romantically involved? Uvela wathi kuJulius, hayi phuthuma ngithi phuthuma. Because when I saw that video, I was like, hayi Ungizo yabona kakasabi next. Akasabi umuntu futhi akanandaba nokuthi ubani uzothini. We hayi angeke. Your thoughts in the comment section ke ubuswe like video, subscribe, share. Sizobonana kwenye ezolandela. Bye.